Good afternoon. Today I'm at Watauga Lake. I'm just a little bit northeast of the boat ramp and the dam. And I figured since the water was down, I'd be able to reach some of these spots you can't normally get to from the bank and see how I could do. Got a little wind, some clouds, some shade. Should be a pretty good day overall anyway. And I think I'm going to try for bass first, and if that don't work out, try for some bluegill. But let's see what we can catch. Got a fish. Little. Got you on the outside too, didn't I? Real pale colors. See ya. Oh, there's a better one. See you, buddy. Every time I'm out here, I'm blown away at how gorgeous it is out here. I could just stand and look at it all day. It's not a bad one. See you, buddy. I had to come back to the parking lot to grab a drink and change out my batteries. I figured I'd kind of show like how I'm getting down here to the water. Because the first time I was here, I overlooked it completely. But you kind of come over here from the trash cans, and you'll see this rock and a post. And that's kind of where it starts heading down at. Right there, you can see it. The first time I was here, I was looking everywhere over that way for it and couldn't find it. So I figured I'd put in a video where to come down at in case somebody wanted to come here and check it out. There's a turtle right there. I don't know if you can see him yet. Hey, buddy. I'll see you later. Hey, you little bass. Little smallmouth. I'll see you, buddy. Ooh, there's a little one. I'll see you, bud. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and call it a day for now. Got a storm coming in. It'll be here in about 30 minutes or so. And I just want to make sure I'm back at the car before it starts pulling down. I can see it coming over the mountains there. You know, we didn't really get on any huge fish today, but, you know, I still had a good time and explored around. I really haven't fished this spot too much before. I think I might have come down here once 5 or 6 years ago, and I didn't catch anything. So that was already an improvement. Plus we saw that turtle, that was cool. And if you had a good time with me, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Put out new fishing videos every Sunday. Thanks for watching.